Welcome to Vegan Method. In this video I'm making sushi. To go in the sushi I have 50 grams of pepper sticks, 25 grams of carrot sticks, a spring onion that's sliced. We have a cup of sushi rice, some sushi nori seaweed sheets, rice vinegar, sea salt, 25 grams of cucumber, an avocado, some pre-cooked tofu which is flavoured with chili, and brown sugar. The first thing I'm doing is washing the sushi rice, just to get as much starch out as possible. While I'm washing the rice, I have a pan of water that is heating up, ready to boil. In a bowl, I'm putting 1/4 cup of the rice vinegar with 2 tablespoons of the brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir that together just to make sure it's all nicely mixed and the sugar's broken down. Water is boiling, we'll turn it down and let it simmer for around 15 minutes, pop on a lid and let the rice cook. Once the rice is cooked, we add the vinegar, salt and sugar mixture, and we'll keep adding rice into this and mix it so it soaks up all the liquid. So I've put a nori sheet shiny side down on a bamboo rolling mat, and we're going to add the rice and the rest of the ingredients. To ensure not to damage the nori sheet, I've added the rice with my hands and I'm going to flatten it out and make it as even as possible. Now you can add the vegetables in any order you like. In this one I've gone with carrots, peppers, spring onion, cucumber and the flavoured tofu. Again, be aware about overloading the nori sheet because it will be difficult to roll if you put too much ingredients inside. So being very careful, I'm using the bamboo mat to help me roll the nori sheet, and what we also need to do is wet the top of the sheet to make sure that it sticks. Using a very sharp knife we can now start to cut the sushi. Again, be very gentle and make sure your knife blade is clean between cutting. Once the sushi is all cut, I'm adding some sesame seeds to the top and I'm going to reshape them slightly just to make them more presentable. Serving the sushi with some soy sauce to dip in. This goes really well with pickled ginger or wasabi. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe and leave comments below.